Yo guys, it's your boy Alexandrus guys, back with a quick update today. I just wanted to tell you that XYO has been announced listed on Kraken, which is a great news, very bullish news for XYO. It's cool to see that they have a new exchange listing, and basically it is now fully available to trade on Kraken. They also have a whole informational post on their blog about it, which is a nice little touch here. So if you want to learn directly about it, then you have it here, but it's basically an announcement of a listing. You just have to have Kraken account and you can trade it here, which is cool to see. Again, very bullish, and it also shows the price action that is kind of connected with the listing. Obviously people are very bullish because of this listing, and you can see that the price movement here also really spiked up. So it's up 8% today and up 13% in last week, which is a really nice gain. And project XYO is slowly but surely going forward towards the bigger values here. And yeah, nice to see that they are basically expanding. And yeah, that's the information for today, guys. Just wanted to let you know about the listing because again, it's a nice and bullish news. If you don't want to miss those informations, then make sure you follow official XYO on Twitter, and then you will be able to basically stay aware of all this news. As you can see, there was a bunch of medias posting about it, and as you can see, people are also posting that XYO has been pumping like crazy because of the listing. So yeah, that's basically that for this video, guys. If you want to see more short updates on the channel, make sure to let me know with a like and comment. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in next videos.